A very good morning, children. Welcome to your science class. Children, have you ever wondered what would happen if you don't have bones in your body? Would you be able to move without bones? You will appear something like this without bones because bones play a vital role in our body. They form a framework called skeleton. So children, today you will study about chapter 3 skeletal system. Skeleton supports our body and gives it the shape. It also protects softer internal organs. The skeleton of an adult consists of 206 bones. There are two types of bones, compact bones and spongy bones. The compact bone is very hard on the outside. It makes up most of the bones of arms and legs. In some bones below the compact bone is the spongy bone. It is found in the bones of the pelvis, ribs, skull, and at the ends of arm and leg bones. At the center of the bones is a soft tissue called bone marrow. Bones are made up of minerals such as calcium, phosphorus. It makes the bones strong. The bones are connected to each other at joints. Joints allow the movement of various parts of body. Bones of limbs, including those of fingers, toes, are long. Bones of wrist and ankle are short. Most of the bones of skull and breastbone are flat. The bones of spine, hips, and some of the bones of skull are irregular. Parts of the skeleton. Let's move to skull. The skull gives the shape to our head. It is made up of 22 bones. Its upper part is made up of 8 bones, which protects the brain. The face is made up of 14 bones that form the framework for the eyes, nose, cheekbones, upper and lower jaws. In addition, there are 6 small bones in our ears, 3 in each ear. All bones of skull are fixed and immovable except the lower jaw. The lower jaw is joined to the upper jaw. The upper and lower jaws have teeth. The function of the skull is to protect the soft and the vital tissues of the head, particularly the brain. The backbone forms the central axis of the skeleton. It is made up of a chain of 33 small bones called vertebrae. The spinal cord passes through the holes of vertebrae and is thus protected. It is very flexible, so it helps us to bend down and touch our toes. It holds us upright. The backbone is also called the spine or spinal column. So the function of backbone is it encloses and protects the delicate spinal cord. Ribcage. Ribcage is the bony structure present in the chest region. Humans have 12 pairs of floating and slender bones called ribs. The ribs curve around the chest to form the rib cage. A long, flat bone called sternum is present at the center of the chest and holds the ribs together in the front. The ribs are fixed to the backbone at the back, but the lowest two pairs of the ribs are only fixed to the backbone and not to the breastbone. So, they are called floating ribs. Functions of rib cage. The rib cage protects the lungs, heart, and liver. Children, now you will answer these questions based on whatever you have learned till now. Hope you have enjoyed the class. Thank you very much.